In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filter across multiple worksheets based on criteria. I have sales data from 3 different locations, and I want to filter them based on the item column. The first thing to do is create 3 tables. Jump to the first sheet, then select the range. Press Ctrl+T to create a table. Add a name to the table, in this case, Central. Repeat these steps for the West and the East table. OK, back to the main worksheet and consolidate the data using the VSTACK function. I'm using descriptive names for the tables, so simply add these names as an argument. Press Enter to get the result. Now we have an unfiltered dataset that contains all 3 worksheets. Now, use the filter function. The first argument is the consolidated data set. I want to filter the data based on the item column. I have to select the array first. Use the CHOOSECOLS function. Add the range, which is the same as the first argument. Now choose the column number, in this case 4, since I want to filter the data based on the 4th column. Then add the criteria, which is the value in cell C2. The result looks great. If you want to modify the criteria, simply change the value in cell C2. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.